Hello everyone. My name is Anabea Picumigot, the first reporter and the little teacher of the Studies Hub 4. Today we're going to discuss or choose to one question from the Gurong Pinoy. And let me explain why is this the answer or why is my answer is that. So, welcome to our deep dive into a really important question about learning, especially in situations where our usual digital tools might not be available. We often take our internet connection for granted, but what happens when it's not there? How do we keep learning effectively? So let's get straight to the point with this question. Which learning material is most useful when there is no internet connection? A. Online videos. B. Print module. C. Live streaming. Or D. Educational apps. So, my answer is letter B. Print module. Now, let me explain on why print modules are the clear winner here. The simplest and most crucial reason is print modules are physical learning materials, meaning students can read and answer them directly, without needing electricity or an internet connections. Think about it. Online videos, live streaming, and most educational apps are all required internet access to function. Even if you download some app content, you still need power for your device. While a print module, however, is always on. It doesn't run out of battery, it doesn't need Wi-Fi, and it's there for you whether the power is on or off. It's a truly self-contained learning tool, making it invaluable when digital resources are out of reach. So, that's all for my question or for my Gurong Pinoy questions and explanation. That's all. Thank you.
A district board that encourages students to perform better and have greater confidence. Answer is D. Motivational. Because the answer is motivational because this type of display boards is designed to inspire and encourage students. It may contain positive message, achievements, goals, and inspiring visuals that help boost students' confidence and encourage them to participate actively and improve their performance in class.
Good day, everyone. My name is Colin Kate Di Partosa. So here's the question. Which of the following is used to measure the quantity and quality of learning assessment? A. Of learning. B. For learning. C. As learning. Or D. Any of this. So the answer here is letter D. Any of this. Why? Because assessment of learning is for learning and assessment, as learning are all used to measure the quantity and quality of learning. They help evaluate students' performance, monitor progress, and improve understanding in different ways.
So, good day to each and everyone. I am Jemercy Gonzalez, the number 4 member of the Study Hub 4. So, for today, I will be answering one of the multiple choice items in Gurong Pinoy. So, here we have the question. So, the question is a display board that encourage students to perform better and have the greater confidence. So, letter A, decorative, B, informational, C, instructional, D, motivational. The answer for this question is letter D, because a motivational display board is designed to inspire and boost students' confidence. It often contains encouraging words, achievements, or positive message that help students feel more confident and perform better. So that's all for my video. I hope you understand something. And now we will proceed to our fifth member, and she will answer one of the questions in Gurong Pinoy.
The question is, in the 4A's approach of facilitating learning, the students learn best to relate ideas to real life through A. Abstraction, B. Applications, C. Activity, D. Analysis. So the answer is letter B. Application. Plus, um, in the 4A's approach, application is the step where students connect what they learn to the real life situations. That's why the answer is letter B, the applications.